The Hubble Space Telescope is a remarkable telescope that has allowed us to see deep into space. It orbits the Earth above the atmosphere, allowing it to send crystal clear images back to Earth. I'm going to tell you all about it, coming up next. The atmosphere of the Earth protects us from solar radiation. It keeps us warm and it provides oxygen that is needed for life. But it also stops us from seeing clearly into deep space. With the Hubble Space Telescope, we have been able to see amazing deep space things like the Pillars of Creation, the Crab Nebula, the Orion Nebula, the Horse Nebula, and the Eagle Nebula. We have also been able to see distant galaxies and the edges of the observable universe. The Hubble Space Telescope was named after the famous astronomer, Professor Edwin Hubble. It is the size of a large school bus. It is 32 meters long. Its solar panels are 24 feet long each. The Hubble weighs 11,000 kilograms and orbits at 547 kilometers above the Earth. The Hubble Space Telescope rotates while it orbits around the Earth. This allows it to always point into space. Every 15 minutes, the Hubble Space Telescope rotates a full 90 degrees. Back in 1990, Space Shuttle Discovery mission STS-31 lifted off the ground and into low Earth orbit. Out there, the crew launched the Hubble Space Telescope from Payload Bay with the help of the Canadarm into deep dark space. This space shuttle mission had 7 people on it. It was a really important mission and had to be launched by the astronauts who had steady hands. 5 years later, in 1995, the Pillars of Creation were photographed. These are huge clouds of gas that will eventually form stars. They look like the pillars of a cathedral, and they are very amazing. 5 space shuttle missions were done specifically for the Hubble. The 5th mission was cancelled because of the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster in 2003. But they finally finished the mission in 2009. The Hubble Space Telescope is a very powerful telescope, and it took very long to make. It was an engineering challenge. It needed to survive the sun's light and radiation for many, many years. The first servicing mission on the Hubble was in 1993, 10 years before the Columbia disaster. It was before scientists realized that there was a problem on the Hubble. The primary mirror on the Hubble was not made properly, and this stopped it from focusing and sending clear images back to Earth. When they realized what had happened, they launched a second mission to repair it. This powerful and iconic telescope is going to be replaced soon by an even more powerful telescope called the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope is going to be launched in December 2021. I can't wait to see the photos that it sends home. Until next time, give me space.